Probably gonna bounce it like right here. I did not get the best fill. That I can tell you. Did I get no? Oh shit! I didn't realize I fucking got in. Oh, I didn't realize I got in with that account. Oh man, that was crazy. Almost at a payout with this account. Dude, Rhythmic Trader Pro has Rhythmic Trader Pro has been like delayed every day. Apex. Looks like we're gonna get a roll right here. Everybody get your roll on, is what it seems like. Gotta stay right here. Gotta go under this freaking 21. I want to see a flash dumperoo. Give me the flash dump. Dump, dump. Come on. Just push it. You know what I'm saying? We under. Come on. I'm going to get hosed. I know it, though. They almost wicked me out. What are you, long or short? I'm going to get stopped out. Got it, boy! Boy! Ooh. That's freaking nice. See, this is what I hate though. Like, if you didn't, like, I sold out at the bottom, but like, they just brought it. They're gonna bring it right back. I got some evals I should pass over right now. I didn't even pay for my evals that I passed yesterday, by the way. Wait, what do you mean they set it back? What did they set back? Oh, really? Holy shit! I'm just testing out. Let me see something, man. 311. It's 311. I have an Apex. What do you call it? I think they reset and gave me an eval back on Rhythmic. Dude, this is looking really good, by the way, on the 5. Yeah, bro. I just opened up that one that they gave me back and just hit it for $225 real quick. This is looking really good on the 5-minute. Push it to the limit. You know, you could have nailed that short, and like they just ripped it right back. Clinch gang. Yo, what's up, guys on the stream? What's up? Yeah, I feel like today has been really bad, but actually, if I look at my accounts, they're up, which is interesting. Yeah, I feel like I lost money, but I didn't lose money. I feel like you have to take a short at 593. Top tick trader and MMM, what's up, guys? Yo, I like that name, top tick trader. Yo, talking about top tick. Dude, talk about top tick. I top ticked the market overnight here. My last fill was right up here. Yeah, it was definitely pretty good. You could see I wasn't up yet at 550. Otherwise, I would have got close to passing this. It's a 250K eval. Trying to figure out which paid account I want to trade in right now. Probably this one right here. Yeah, well, not eval, paid funded account. I think I'm going to take a. Just kind of feels like This is where I'm going to short it somewhere around here. See if I can get see if I can pass this one also on this move. Looks like it has one more push left in it. If you look on the one, it just kind of looks like it's consolidating right here. What is that? In 84, kind of right here. How much is it? Can you take it out, or what's the deal? What are you guys in? What? You guys up today? You guys trading funded accounts, evals? You pass anything? How you guys looking? Apex deal is over. Oh, I just tried buying. Oh, Jesus, come on. All right, let me get my funded account here. I'm getting close to my Top Step. Never been funded in Top Step before. Up 888 today. It's a, I'm going to see what the deal is with Top Step, how much I like it. All I need is to get funded and then do the 200 for 5 days. I was on tilt before. If I streamed about 3 hours ago, I was going freaking bananas, and then I got a bunch of accounts back, and now I kind of cooled off for a little bit. I should have recorded it. I think we're going to get a push up here to view up, and that's probably where I want to take a short. Definitely some nice movement today. I hope they don't roll it here, though. I'd like them to push it, get filled. Yo, what up, Jay? This looks like it's flagging here on the one. I think they're going to break it out for another leg up for about 10 points, and then it's probably going to. What's going on, Vincent? Did they check what out? Uh, Joseph, you think it's going through VWAP here? Where do you think it's going? I just find it VWAP is close to 600, and I could just see that being the short term top, I guess you'd call it. Yeah, well, VWAP is like a couple points above 600. The VWAP. You got orders in? You don't have orders in, Jay? Put some orders in, bro. Joseph, what platform are you trading on? Are you on Apex or Top Step? I just hope they don't slow the market up here. It's been pretty good. Yeah, I agree. The news was really positive. All the inflation news has been positive. Uh, I feel like it has to be positive because they're going into the election in a couple months. So I feel like everything's got to be positive leading up to that. You can't have inflation going higher leading into the election. So, that's kind of how I see it, is that they're going to put out only good reports up through election to, make it better than it is. Dude, they got to push this one time. Just give it a little push. A little tush push. I did not see that they got rid of certain food items. What food items can they even do that? Like, isn't it the same items? I have to look into that because I always thought it was the same items consistently. I didn't know that they can even do anything. That's wild, man. That's wild. I didn't know they could even do. I mean, obviously they can do anything they want. I mean, you know, nothing like my delayed freaking, what do you call it? Rhythmic Trader Pro on my laptop. Yeah, I think unemployment stops after like 6 months or something like that. I mean, they did the same thing with oh, what was the same thing that they did with that? They did that with oh, geez. Oh no, the term of a yeah, the term of a recession. They changed the definition of a recession. Yeah, by the original definition, it was based off the GDP number. I wanted to watch Jerome yesterday, but I had to run out and pick my kids up. Yeah, I'm looking for shorts at this point. Actually, I got filled somewhere. One of my accounts got filled. I don't know why I'm long in that account, actually. I was trying to... Where? Oh, here we go. I only got filled one. I might just take this here for another pop up. And I basically put the order back in. I want to see them fill me up here. The housing market is in a weird place because it's inflated, but they can't lower rates because, bro, when they lower rates, housing is going to... I do look at QQQ levels. Any PAs or just... So right here, you can see PA, PA. And then the ones that are just Apex are just evals. And then I have on my laptop right here, I have Rhythmic Trader Pro. It's on my laptop. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 PA accounts. And then I also have 2 more PA accounts that I didn't pay for yet. I passed yesterday. So I think I have 16 funded accounts. 15 or 16 funded accounts currently. I also have 1 funded account with Bullnox. I wish I held that one single contract. Not that one contract's a lot, but it would have been nice. I still think they bring it back up. Dude, the housing shit is going to be messed up for a while. Joseph, you got any PAs? What are you trading, PAs or evals? I trade evals different than PAs. Yeah. Are they going to bounce it here, you think, or are they just going to dump this thing? Do you have a daily goal and stop? Oh, on PAs, yeah, I try to add about $300 to $500 a day in each one. But sometimes I don't get there, and then sometimes I go over. Sometimes I overshoot. For argument's sake, this PA is up, almost 400, so I'm pretty good. I'll just kind of like maybe leave that one, and I'll trade some of the other ones. And then I have this PA is up $843, so that one's obviously done for the day. This one got completely smoked because I left an order in. I left an order and came back, and I was down like $2,300 already. Don't leave orders in. This one's up 10 bucks. 161, 185. So I could definitely take a punch. Yeah, I figured you did. They're going to bring it back up. So I'm going to start trading them in groups. I'm waiting for, I don't want to blow a lot at once. I'll be honest with you, I don't want to blow 2 or 3 at one time. So I have one that is ready for a payment already. I have one that's over the threshold. So once they give me my cash on this next payout, I will I'll probably get Sierra charts or Quant Tower or whatever, and I'll start linking accounts up. That's pretty much what I want to do. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Is I'm going to start bunching them up because it's, you can watch me. I start flipping back and forth in all these accounts. It's crazy. It's crazy how I go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. If you've been on the stream, you'll see it. I just keep flicking, going, and it's crazy. And I just need to start copy trading. There's too much. It's literally too much at this point. It's too much. I'm done buying evals. Evals are done. I have a couple, whatever evals I have are the evals I have, and I'll just trade them out. I think we're going to flag into the downside here, by the way. Obviously, I could be wrong here, but let's. I mean, I could be completely wrong. I want it to go up. Honestly, I want it to go up. But anytime I want it to go up, when I'm not in it, just doesn't go up. Do you get filled? I got Jay on the phone with me, if you're wondering. The guy that's in the room, 0 Day Jay's on the old celly with me at the same time while I trade. I'm kind of liking this rejection, but I have a feeling it's going to push on through. I just locked it in. I have a feeling it's going to turn around. Oh, shit. That's why I only did it in my eval. Oh, like that. I was talking about it dumping. Dude, they're going to bring it right back. I have this feeling they're going to bring it right back. But yeah, I need a copy trader. Oh, wow. Dude, I can't believe I was in this with you. Bro. Oh, geez. And you guys gonna request payout on Friday or next week from Apex? Anybody close to a payout over there that's on the stream? I think I'm gonna request 2 payouts. I'm right there. I'm over on one, and one I am $400 away. Yeah. Hopefully I get the 2. I will say that's the only reason why I'm doing Top Step. Being that Apex and Top Step are about the same price now. Top Step, you just need 5 days. Look at that. What did I say? They're going to bring it right back. Right back. Right back. I will say that's freaking super bullish. And I wonder. Come on, we going to scalp this real quick? Give me like $50, $80. Come on. Did you just mush me, Jay? You got in too? Oh, I didn't get in there. I just got stopped out. Oh, come on. Push it. Push it. Come on. Get a bunch of my orders filled, man. I wonder if Apex is going to put more videos on rule changes out before the next payout period. Oh, come here. Push and get me filled, and then just oh, it's right there. Are you not going to fill me? Dude, are you kidding? I mean, how did I not get filled? That's pretty shitty. I might just mark it in. Hold on one second. Let me see what the fuck's going on. No, I want to in. So I'm looking at too many freaking screens, actually, is what I'm doing. I'll take that. I think they're going to push it back up. I think they're going to push it up to 95, 95-ish. Which I feel like I'm in short in another account here. I feel like Oh yeah, here we go. I got a little taste in this account. I want to push this one over. I think they're going to push this back up. You're still in? What are you long right now or short, Joseph? Look at your ONL. Yeah, I'm in short right now. This is just an eval. I'm just trying to get this eval over. Yeah, I mean VWAP's right up here. Let's see what happens. Oh, you just come on. I wish there was a place like so when you're on Rhythmic Trader Pro, you can look at your P&Ls of all your accounts and it'll tell you if you're in anything. TraderBait really doesn't have that. Where do you go? Oh, really? And you just see them all? Oh, plus sign on the left. What do you like? The new tab? Oh, I see what you're saying. And what do you just call it? Accounts? Oh, it's freaking small, man. Yeah, I have it now on my. So I have multiple screens. I have three screens. On my one screen, I just brought it up on my TraderBait. I have TraderBait on the left, my left. Um, I see it. It's small. I'm gonna see if I can bring it to. Can I drag? How do I drag this thing? Oh, here we go. Can I bring it off to the side? Oh, I can. Oh, this is money. I like this on my other screen. I can see now what I'm in. Oh, that's huge. Huge. I'll tell you what, I won't leave orders in anymore because you can see what I'm in now. You think they push it? You think they push it to VWAP here or what? Mm. Yeah, turn it around here. Nah, they're bringing it right. Yo, what up, Nagy? How's your day going over there? How you up? Oh, today is I don't know, it's pretty good day, I would say. Well, it looks like I missed out on getting a bunch of orders filled. What number is that? I can't even see the number. Oh, 51. Well, I'm not getting out for $30 in a eval. What? You just hit a 10K day in what account? Tell me you did it in Take Profit Trader. Did you do it in Take Profit Trader where you could take out all your money today? Is that where you just did that in? Because that'd be amazing. Which platform did you do it in? My Funded Futures? Was it a funded account? And can you just take all that money out? Do they have a consistency rule over there? What's the deal? I'm interested, super interested to hearing this. No consistency rule. So you just hit for 10K today and they're gonna okay, so you pass in one day and then that 10K is in a funded account that you just hit that for? You just hit that 10K in one like in a funded account? So yesterday you passed the eval, and I guess you fire up this funded account, and then you just pass it, and then you just hit it for 10 G's today. Jeez. That's wild. When can you pull the money out? Can you pull that money out today? 14 calendar day payout cycles. So do you have to trade it any other day, or can you just sit around right now? I'm curious how it works. And you need to have two trading these. So what happens if you just buy one contract today and sell it tomorrow? Sell it in a minute. Would that count? Yeah, but like, how much do you have to trade in that other one? Like a lot, or can you just flip a contract? Dude, I'm gonna. They discourage flipping. I bet they discourage it. But if I was up $10,000, you'd see my ass play like uh you'd see me play like one contract and say and just let it ride for a little bit. That's wild. Congrats, man. I used them in the past, without a doubt. I only used it like once. There was just, dude, that's crazy. To hit for 10 G's on one of these and they pay out like Take Profit Trader has stuff like that. Basically, you know, you can get funded and take money out the next day. I just traded on Rhythmic, and I didn't have any issues. They don't have any daily loss. Yeah, Take Profit Trader. I don't like the daily loss limit either. That's why. I mean, I'm getting to Top Step, but you know what I don't like? I don't like, by the way, I don't like that we're consolidating up here. I'm gonna pull some of my orders that I have. Being that we're consolidating up here, I don't. I think we can easily continue up, and I don't want to. Check fast track trading. Dude, are you kidding me? Hold on one second. Watch this. Fast track trading. Dude, this looks like I'm renting a fucking Lamborghini in Las Vegas to drive it on the racetrack. Not a company that's going to pay me. Like, they're using like the worst font. It looks like somebody just threw this shit together. I do not trust. Yeah, I mean, I'll wait till a bunch of people get paid out by them. Yeah, they're new. I don't want to be part of the cash grab. Yeah, that's how I feel. I don't know who that is, to be honest with you, but I do know that it just that's not for me. That is not for me. They're grabbing liquidity. Uh, yeah, we could definitely pop, Joseph. I just saw your message now. We could pop. Yeah, they're definitely just setting this up. I think. Um, I kind of liked it when we traveled this far, but now that we're consolidating up here, I am not a fan of going short anymore. You know, I like the first touch and things like that, and you know, but I'm not. I think this can easily blow through, and we could see a nice pop here, maybe a nice 10-point pop. Oh Jesus, dude! You know what was just weird? I hit cancel all and fill, and I had one long on my rhythmic account, and then it put me in short. Jay, because you asked me if rhythmic was having problems. Something weird going on there. See, we kind of broke the downtrend here, and I think we're just gonna consolidate here for another leg up. You heard? We're going up. Oh yeah, this is VWAP right here. The VWAP. Well, yeah, that's why I only play first touches. So now that we've been up here, I think we're gonna blow through. We might come down to the 34 right here, but I think we're gonna grind up. Yeah, I think we're oh, it literally just freaking. It's going to make its way back up. It's going to come back up. I'm just trying to find a freaking. I'm playing a quick bounce here. Hopefully we can get it. Just scalping, baby. Just scalping. Scalping like a little animal right there. Look at that. $40. See, I like the little scalps of like 30, $40 a couple of times a day. And then I put on the bigger trade. And let's see if it comes down a little bit now. Little scalp is nice. See what happens. I mean, it might bounce here, and and that's the freaking. So many bag holders on this runoff. Hold on. Are you managing trailing? Are you managing trailing drawdown in Apex? I don't worry about the drawdown. I am literally just playing my trades, and whatever happens, happens. And if I lose, I lose, and that's it. Because I'm only playing one contract at a time. So for me to lose, I can't lose $2,500 because I take losses at like $100 to $200. So I'll never hit that big drawdown, and I keep on stacking gains in my account. So for like me to lose $2,500 just kind of doesn't happen unless I make 10 consecutive bad trades at a time or something like that. If this rejects the 85 area, stochastic's starting to turn up here. I wouldn't be surprised if we at least touch the highs. You had almost 5 PAs, yeah, and couldn't get them to pay out, and a couple of them were as close as Nagy, that's close, man. That's close. You're right there. You're $300 away. That's why I kind of built all of them up at once, and I kind of slowly moved them up at the same time. So many bag holders on this runoff. Holding, what do you mean? The PA brain is not to eval. Oh, tell me about it. I'm willing to do a lot of stuff I don't do on my eval. Like, I'll do a bunch of crazy stuff on my evals, but I would not do that on my my funded accounts. I definitely trade them differently, just like everybody else probably does. But my style is the same. So like, I'll take majority of the trades the same. I'll just take more with my evals rather than rather take one. I could take 3 or 4, but I'm doing the same setups. I'm looking for the same setups, so I don't like do completely. Although I will do complete degen trades sometimes. If you want to see like a complete freaking degen trade, I'm all in on that. It's just so much easier to trade the PA accounts. Hey, I see some new people on the stream. Why don't you come on, say hello, introduce yourself so we know who you are. Say hello. Here it is. Man, they just keep bringing it back up. We're just kind of like, it's kind of grinding up. I'm not a huge fan of these. I'm not a huge fan of trading this, but I do think that I feel like it's going to push up, but I wouldn't buy up here. That I could tell you. Wow, what are you trying to short it up here, Jay? I might short right here. Super freaking tight. Super tight. That's it. That's all I wanted to do was take just a little taste. That's all I wanted was just a little taste. What was that? $30? That's it. Yeah, well, that's what I was doing. That was super tight stop. I wonder if they pop it right here. If we get over 600, I mean, this thing's gonna blow. Or I'll be like one of the gurus. If we break 600, we will see 601. Yo, it's definitely gonna go up or down. It's just it can't get over VWAP. I got it on the I think this turns around and just punches through. That's what I think is going to happen. Come on and go through. If I can get in right here at 84, I'll probably take for another bounce. With a tight stop, that's the 34. I just think the overall is what are they doing here? Come on. I'm not even in, but for you guys that are in, looks like we're going. Welcome to new people on the stream. What is going on? Man, that's a hard rejection. That was all right. Let's see if I can scalp quick. Quick scalp, quick scalp. I'm out for 30 bucks. That was solid right there. These little scalps add up. 30, 30 at 60, 40, that's 100 bucks. 25, that's $125 worth of just little scalps here. All I'm trying to do is get the entry right at support and just scalp it real quick. You know, these aren't my big move plays. My big move plays would be typically I play the pivot points, but being that we're up and around this pivot point, it doesn't mean anything to me. Like I would need a big move for me to play. Also, I play orbs, and we're nowhere near. We're not in the orb, so I'm pretty much scalping right now. I feel like, honestly, the fact that we've rejected here 3 times, it looks like it's going to roll over. Man, it's getting tight. It's getting tight. That I can tell you. I can tell you it is freaking tight. I'm only scalping with 1 contract. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. 2 seconds. Yo, so yeah. So when I scalp, I'm taking 1 contract at a time. Oh, geez. Hold on 1 second. My alarm is going off. Oh man. Oh, sorry about that. So I scalp with one contract at a time. If you watch me do it, I have a tight stop. My stop is super tight, and also where I put my buy is like the perfect entry for myself. So a lot of times I'll miss getting filled, and it is what it is. I'm looking for the best fill, or I should say the safest fill with a tight stop. See, like I'm not doing it, but an example would be right here. We've rejected here one, two, three times. So, you could short it right here with like a 4-point stop. Hey, what's going on, MK? MKKM. How many ticks is your stop loss? If I am scalping for a small gain, it will be like 3 points. Super tight. Like you could have just done this one again. You could have, let me zoom in. You could have put it at the top, but you would have got stopped out right here. But you could have, you would have made 2 good trades, but you realize I'm not doing this again. I don't keep going to the well. I'll go to the well once, maybe twice, but after that, I feel like the play is over. So I don't do it again. And that's kind of what keeps me out of like, if you keep hitting the same area at the same time, eventually it's going to pop through. But yeah, you can get smoked out. I've seen people try scalping for $30 and they lose 300. So I would say, I would say be careful. Um, and if it's not your style, it's not your style. But this to me looks like it's gearing up for you just keep making higher lows here. I wonder if it comes back down to 87. Oh man, I think we're gonna get a Pavaroo. Yeah. Yep. I agree with you on that. I probably wouldn't be shorting really. I mean, obviously people short the 600 even number for a pullback, but I think the overall trend is up. I typically don't short something like this. I mean, it's just not a high probability trade. And I'll just let it go. I mean, I just want to make sure I'm not in anything. Let me look at this account. Nope, not in anything. There's some serious chop though. Like we're not really going anywhere. It's what is it, 76? It's like a 20 point chop area. I think I'm done trading this one for the day. See, this is wild. I look at the tilt thing on Top Step X, 70% long. 70% traders are long in Top Step currently. It's a cool little feature that they have. I don't trade off this, but just kind of cool that they have it. But people are typically long, more long than short. Anyways, it's just their nature. So it, but I wouldn't trade off of it. On this 5-minute on the 5-minute, you could just see consolidation, 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 break. We might just be retesting here and then kind of come back up. How long will it take me to get to the 2,600 requirement? What, for a funded account or an eval? Because this was mine yesterday. I just didn't pay for it yet. That's why I played CPI yesterday. But I have this one that's just about over. I have this one that's just about over. For PAs, well, I'm close. This is a PA right now. I don't push PAs that hard because you can only pick. I can't take money out until tomorrow, or I think I have to the 20th. So I have, right? It's 15th through the 20th. So actually, I can't even pull money out tomorrow. I got to wait till Monday. So I don't push it that hard because I just need $400 from now until Thursday. So $100 a day will get me money for that. Oh shit! It did. It came down and hit the 34. Yeah. So how long will it take me? A couple weeks, like 2 weeks. I don't go too hard on it. And that's why I play multiple funded accounts so I can spread out my gains. So like if I'm done trading one, I can flip to another one. It's like I'm trading this one because it didn't really get traded in, but like here's like this one, I'm up almost $400 today. I'm done for the day. And then I have this funded account. I'm up $843 in one day. So now I'm done with that account. This account I left an order in. Do not leave orders in, guys. I've been smoked quite a bit of times by leaving orders in. And I don't want to see you guys get smoked also. I'm going to take a pop right here. Let's see if they can pop it here for a little bit. Let's see if they can just do a little flash up. Come on, flash up. Come on. Give me like, here's $40, $50. So what was that, $40? I like if you look, this is the 34. It's just following the 34. But how many times is it going to keep bouncing off it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can it keep going? Yeah. 34 is a safe place to get in currently. You know, everything is about the entry. If you get a good entry, you don't have to, you worry a lot less. If you chase, you're going to be worried about the stuff all the time. You know, like if you would have just chased that bounce and then bought up here, you'd be like, oh, I'm down. This, you know, it's all about getting the right entry. And if it misses your entry, just leave it alone. Too many people chase. Chasing is when you're going to get crushed. You don't want to get crushed. So don't chase. Just get a solid entry and you won't have to worry. Getting a good entry keeps you in trades also, like other style trades that besides scalps that I do, and I'm trying to get more than just a little bit. Yeah, you definitely want to get good entries. Don't chase. Don't let FOMO hit you. Don't, you know, if you see me getting a trade, but now I'm up 40, 50 bucks already, you don't follow. You missed it already. Just, you know, there'll be a next one. I do want to pull some money out though. That I can tell you. I wanted to buy this stock the other day and I didn't. I'm like an idiot. Now it's up freaking, it's up almost 10%. So stupid. So stupid. I will say, looking at the Q's chart, it kind of looks like you're in like a rising wedge style pattern here that I wouldn't be surprised if we roll over here. Wouldn't surprise me. It looks better on the 5, but this isn't my prime setup right now, so that's why I just chill out, do some stuff. It's just trading in this little tight zone. I mean, it looks decent. So I try to. I'm in New York right now, but I try to stream in the morning. But if I don't stream in the morning, I usually get on around 1:30, 1:30, 2 o'clock into the end of the day. Um, you know, I try in the morning, and if I can't, I'll come on around now. But be sure to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. If you're looking for discount codes, I have them all in the description of my videos for accounts so you don't pay the full amount. Yeah, subscribe. You'll get notified for, what do you call it? You get notified when I go live, but I go live every single day. So this just made a lower high on the 1. So just, I would call it, it's interesting. It's not actionable. It's just interesting. But yeah, man, I appreciate you coming by today. And I will see you tomorrow, man. Come, just swing by. But yeah, I'll be on until probably around 4 o'clock. Till market close. Boom. 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 Yeah. Getting that pop. There we go. There we go. We got over 600. That's what we wanted. It's exactly what we wanted. It's a nice move right there, right off the 34 again. Boom. I like that. I like that a lot. Man, it's so tight the last freaking hour or so. Or what was it? Since 2 o'clock? Yeah. I want to see some movement. This might be the beginning of a next leg up. No follow through at all. No follow through. Do you trade options, by the way? I trade options. You guys, anybody on here trading options? I like trading options on toss. Yeah, I have E-Trade. I'm toying with playing 0 DTE on certain moves. So once I consolidate some of these accounts, so I don't have to keep flipping back and forth, and I can copy trade, I think I'm going to play some 0 DTE options with small amount of money to test it out. And then I'm just going to use the same strategy I'm using here on options and do that. I wonder if they just roll it over. No follow through though, like really, like none. Just I'm looking for like a 20, 30 point move, like push out of this to like, maybe up here to 90. And just not getting it. Not getting it at all. I bet you people are getting just chopped up right now. Long, short, long, short, long, short. And I'll be honest with you, if you get a good entry, you don't get chopped up because you're in where you want to get in. Oh, yeah. Let me see. Do I think it's going to bounce again off of the 34? I'm probably going to get stopped out here. I'm nervous. What did I take? 25 bucks? How's that feeling? I wouldn't be surprised if it came down to the 200. Just has that 200 feel to me. So I see some new people on the chat. Introduce yourselves. Surviving DCA, as me and Jay call it, the DCA gang. Yeah. So what's crazy, Eminem, is I zone trade sometimes. So I'm going to show you an example. Say I think it's going to come down and wick and touch here. I was buying, I would do this. And my orders were in before I got filled, right? And then I'm worried that they consider this DCAing because you're lagging into a position. So now I don't do that. I know you can add one time. So now I would do something like this, you know, and then I buy and then I have another order in. But oh, look at that. Just follow, you gotta do is follow the 34. That's it. Just follow the 34. You'd be up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in a row. This candle right here kind of feels like the last hurrah, and then you're just gonna roll it over. Just feels that way to me. I'm not playing the 34 again. If I'm gonna play long, I want to see them drop it to like down here. But if you're in, I hope it goes up for you. Believe me, I don't get FOMO. That's the only way to last in this game is by not having FOMO. If you get FOMO, that's why I thought Apex so I trade better. Yeah, I mean, you just need to come up with a strategy that works for you. You know, maybe you pick up a nugget that I talk about, maybe something somebody else talks about. You know, I'll be honest with you. You should go on YouTube and watch a bunch of videos. Like I make videos, like instructional videos. You should watch other people's videos, kind of see what they like. And then you can, like, I don't know if you have TradingView, but you can kind of come on and back test, you know, scripts that people have and see what you like to trade. There is no holy grail one way to trade. Like what I do and what you do would be different, and what works for me may not work for you. So there's not one way. I know like a dozen traders, and everybody does their own thing. You know, do we have little bits and pieces? Yeah, like, you know, Jay, like, you know, Jay grabbed a little bit and piece from me, but I don't do some of the stuff that he does. You know, I would say that we're similar, but we're definitely not the same. But you know, my setup, I make videos about my setups. I go into detail about all the different scripts I have. It's all free scripts. I don't pay for any of them. So, you know, it's nothing that you got to pay for except just TradingView itself. Is this it? This is the move? Oh, yeah. Watch this. I wouldn't be surprised to see 40. They might come right back to the 9 right here. If they come back, I'll buy. I'll take a little piece. So yeah, I mean, you can set up like I did with the DCA. You could DCA once. You just create a little zone for yourself of like 2 orders where you know, don't buy at the same spot. Like, you know, if I want to buy a pullback, like I might buy here and then here to kind of average out. And, you know, you could do that all day. And that might help you out. I gotta make sure I trade all my funded accounts because, let's see, I don't even think I traded all of them. No, I did. I think they're gonna push on out of this. I think we're back testing here, and then we're gonna come ripping up. Let's see if I get filled. Might not even get filled. But yeah, I mean, you know, everybody has their own thing. So I would say I would focus on finding what your thing is and what works for you. And that's how I approach trading with anybody, is find out a couple scripts, a couple factors and things like that work for what you like to look at. And that's what I would stick with. Like, I'm not a breakout trader. You know, I like buying at support because I know if we bounce just a little bit, I'm going to make money. If we bounce a lot, I got a great entry. But the other, which, you know, I don't hold that long is my issue. I would make a lot if I held longer. So that's, you know, that's really my only issue. And this is a nice consolidation. I think we can get a serious move. They come in with some nice volume and really get it. Get it going into the 40s. Let's see what happens. I'm hoping they come back. I don't think it is. I don't think they're gonna come back. I can't believe they did away with the DCA thing. I was I was playing with 5 minis, 5 micros, orders, and I was buying like 25, 30 of them, and I was spreading them out and creating like a big zone. And well, here we go. I don't think I'm gonna get filled. Little buying volume comes in. Welcome to the chat, though. Any new people that you're on, just want to say welcome. Glad you're here. We're just we've been talking about this move coming up for the last hour of consolidation that we were going to eventually break north, and we finally did. It's just slow moving. It's very slow moving. Let's see. Let's go to the 1. I'll take a shot right there. Let's see what happens. I mean, some of the other platforms aren't bad. Like, you can DCA in Top Step. Top Step, you could definitely DCA in. I don't think Bullnox has any issues with it. Wow, look at that. You bought it right back up. Oh, yeah, take profit trader. I think you can do anything you want. They don't have any issues. I kind of feel like because you pay more, they kind of allow it to do whatever you want there. You know, it's kind of like I just feel like because you do that, because it's like $100 for an eval, they don't mind if you DCA in. I like to DCA, you know, but being that they're made a big fuss about it, I'm not. Look at that. Let's see. Are they going to bring it right back up? Oh, I almost got stopped. Boom. 50 bucks. Just working this one up. 34 holds again. Yep. Almost got stopped though. Got nervous for it was green and then it just flashed down. I'll be honest with you, this was a higher, I thought was better because it was at 601, so you got to assume it's going to hold 600 on the test. And then what you did is you got a little sweep action. They just kind of swept the lows, swept everybody's stop losses, and then just brought it right back up. New people on the stream, welcome. Feel free to say hi. The chat is open. You can talk and say whatever you would like. I see that there's new people on today. This is an open, ask questions, talk about what you're doing. It's all just hanging out. Take profit trader is cool. If you get a funded account, you take money out every day. I think that's pretty cool. I think it's really cool, actually. I just freaking haven't gotten there yet. I want to get my Apex money. I want to get Top Step is next. This is an eval, but I'm just keep working it up. I've only had it for a couple days. I made 500 one day, lost 300, made 200, then lost 400. Now I'm up 888 today. So moving on up. That's all I can say is every day we're just moving on up. If you're new, be sure to subscribe. You can see when I go live. Subscribe to the channel. Does streaming on YouTube change how you trade? It does. So I will say I go less on tilt when I'm on YouTube. Like this morning, I was doing some wild shit. Just gonna keep it real. Oh man, let's see if I can get a 200 bounce right here. I might try this in. Oh, it didn't fill me in this account? Hey, do you have Top Step DCA? I do have Top Step X. Yeah, they have no rules about it. I have Top Step. I'm up 888 in my Top Step account. You can do whatever. You do whatever you want. I haven't had any. I haven't heard anybody have issues or anything. Oh, I almost just left that order in. Yeah, you can do anything you want with Top Step. They have that thing of one step, one rule. That whole thing. I think are they gonna come down and touch this or what? Or are they just gonna bounce it here? I might take a freaking, I don't want to call it YOLO. See, I have the stochastics on. I have the stochastics on right here, and I can see the move is kind of fading to the downside, and we're going to start coming back up. Now, that's not what disadvantages of Top Step they have. I'll show you right now. They have a daily loss limit. So basically, once you hit this daily loss limit of $1,000, you can't trade the account for the day. And instead of having a, man, that was nice. See that? They have a, oh, let me just make sure I'm not in it on any accounts. Nope, they didn't freaking film me on this one. What pieces of shit? But yeah, if anyone's looking for a Top Step account, I have a link. It usually auto defaults to whatever their best deal is going on. It's in the description. But I think right now they're just running the whatever percent off. It's like $49 a month. I use Top Step X. It's super easy. I can just do like limit buys. You can just drag it. It's interactive. Super easy to do. It's basically Trading View without all the indicators. It just has these indicators, whatever is default. Really cool platform. The disadvantages is literally if you lose 1,000 in a day, they shut your account off for the day, and then you could trade it tomorrow. So it doesn't allow you to go heavy unless you get like I'm up $900. So now I can take a big shot if I want. But also they have a consistency rule. I can only be up 1,500 a day to pass. So basically you're not going to do 1,500. So basically it's going to take you a couple days to pass an eval. Oh my God. Well, I hope one of you guys is still holding. You saw my orders. I got filled on one and the other I didn't get filled on. Wow. Do they have 90% at all? What do you mean, like 90% off? He's about 90% off. Nah, so they'll run where it's like $19 off. $19. They did one that was $29 recently, but right now it's $49. Sales are like I said, it's let me what do you call it? Yeah, it's just they do a deal. Let me just click on the thing right now and So this is what it is currently. So it's regularly $165. It's $49 a month, $99 and $149. I did the 50K. Links in my description in the video. But yeah, it's everybody likes, a lot of people like Top Step. You know, a lot of people like Top Step. So due to the crowd, I got Top Step X. I got a Top Step account, and I'm trying to pass it along with my other accounts that I'm doing. We shall see what happens. Hopefully we get some. I mean, this is some nice moves right here. I can't believe I missed getting my other fill. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back in 2 seconds. Give me 30 seconds, actually. Yo, I'm back. I'm back. Oh, man. Let's see what happens here. Boom, boom, boom. I think it's flagging right here, and I think we're going to take it a leg up. How's that sound? Wouldn't surprise me one bit. I kind of want to see it. We're still running hot here. I would love to see it come further down. Unless, is it going to pop right here? I'll take the risk. Tight stop, tight stop. Tight. Pop it though. Pop it over this candle. Let's go. Come on. I might take small profit. I should have taken that. I'm out. That's nothing. I think it's going to roll over. Just freaking feels like I'm going to get hosed. Am I? No. By the way, as we get closer to the end of the day, I trade. This is looking really good. See how high I can go. I'll just leave it with a stop right now. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Give me a good amount. Send it up. Come on. Give me like at least. No, turn it around, bud. Oh, oh. I finally got stopped out. Come on. I mean, these aren't really the setups I like, to be honest with you. We're just kind of like grind. This is just a slow grind. I like the moves, like this move. I want to see movement. I don't want to see slow grind. Starting to just get ugly. This flashed a sell signal, which is interesting. The zero lag indicator flashed a sell signal. That's on the 5 minute is interesting. Popping right back up. Just holding that 34. I'll put an order in. Let's see. See if I get filled. What are you guys in? You guys in anything? Here we go. Just got filled. Let's see if they're going to bring it back up. I'll just scalp it for like. As we get closer to the end of the days. Geez. I'm pretty much done with this. I want to see some big movement now for me to dump my money in. I want to see it down to 200 or something. Come on. Is everything that red line is the 21 on the 5 minute, which is the 105 on the 1. Oh. Push it down. I want to push that account over so bad. Oh, this is an eval. Dude, this eval is going to go in. This eval is going in. Degen style. As degen style as you can get. They didn't film me right here. Did I just get the worst fill of mankind? I got the worst fill ever. Ever. I just got hosed. I'm just getting out. I got the worst fill. I can't even believe they did that to me. Oh, I'm actually, oh, you know what? I like this new thing I got. That's that new thing I have that shows all my accounts of what I'm in. That just saved me because I didn't realize I was in on this. Are they going to bring it back down here? They're going to bring it back down for a 200 bounce. Come on. Bring it downtown. Or are they going to reject it right here off the 34? That's where I'd be looking for a rejection. Come on, reject, come down, fill us, and let's bounce. That's what I'm looking for. Come on. Here we go. Come on and fill me. Oh, come on. Just waiting for the spot. See if we get it. Come on. I got my orders in. I want to play a little bit before the end of the day here. That's a candle that usually is not great for the upside. So let's get filled. And then take it to the promised land back up. We may not get it, to be honest. I'm just watching. Here we go. Man, they just keep faking it out, faking it out. I'm just looking to get filled. A little consolidation, a little drop to the 200 and bounce up. Is that too much to ask for? Hey, if you guys are looking for sales for cheap accounts, Bullnox has accounts, by the way. Bullnox is running a sale, I think. If you like, but you got to use Rhythmic Trader Pro. Yeah, that's the only problem is you got to use Rhythmic Trader Pro. So if you have a Mac, it doesn't really work there. Come on. Certain parts of today have been great, but man, I can't stand these consolidation grind moves. I typically stay out of this. We got 20 minutes left. 10 minutes to the 350 algo candle. Whatever way that's going to go. Come on. Man, they just push it and they sell it and push it. Is this the move? Nice move for any of you guys that got in. It's a solid push. Solid push. I missed it. I was waiting for it to come back down. Missed it, and it is what it is. No FOMO. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. Can't believe I didn't get filled more contracts down here. Freaking ridiculous. Ridiculous, ridiculous. All I could do is just shake my head and say I missed it and wait for the next setup. The worst thing you can do is freaking chase it. Dude, oh, are you guys in anything? What are you guys in right now? I know you guys are here watching, so I'm just curious what you guys are in. Anybody grab that off the bottom? I grabbed one and sold it too early. I didn't get filled all the other ones. Man, I missed that by like 1 point on a lot of my accounts. 1 point. I don't think I'm getting filled now. I can tell you that. I'm canceling. Make sure you cancel your positions if you don't get filled, because if you leave the screen and after hours it dumps or something, you can see, look, I was ready to rock and roll. If you leave the screen and your orders are in, look, more orders that didn't get filled. Don't tell me we're going to come back down now and I just did this for nothing. Don't tell me I did this for nothing. Come on. I'd love to see you come down. I just don't think we're going to get it. Bum, 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 bum. Come on. Actually, it looks pretty good. Kind of curling back up here. I'll take some with the eval. I'll do a degen eval trade. Come on. Is it going to break this trend to the upside and explode, or am I just going to get stopped out real quick? Come on. Come on. Let me just draw this for you guys. This is kind of what you're looking at. You want to see a solid close and bring it up to like 14 land. Come on, let it rip. Let it rip. Oh yeah. Should I take it? Should I take some of it? I'm up 125. I want to get this account over. Come on. I know you got some juice in there. Push it. That sucked. That sucked so bad. Actually, I won't respect myself in the morning. We'll do 2, 2. Man, every time they're pushing it up, look at it. They're just selling it right off. What was it 11? Come on. We want to go up. I am getting nervous. The Cassics are getting into overbought territory. So I am getting nervous. I'm probably just going to sell out with a little gain here. It is what it is. Oh, now after I hit the sell button, it goes. Look at that. Look at that. Just small peanut profits, and now we're rolling here. Peanut profits. Let's go. Let's get the push. Follow through is kind of weak. You have 2 minutes to the algo candle. You want to see an algo candle? 350 is always about a minute you got, and it's going to probably algo one way or the other. Kind of always does. Push it. There's not even like a play for me, to be honest with you here. I just know maybe some of you guys are in it. And if you guys followed my other trade and you're still in it, I hope it goes up. Just riding this fractal, this trend line. It's actually looking pretty decent to the upside. Oh, that was the algo pop right there. You see that? It wasn't that big. It was like 5 points. 350 algo. Now I'll take a shot right at the 34. Let's see if we bounce. Quick 50. Got this account back green. I'm just nervous that we're kind of overbought here. I could see it kind of rolling over. Kind of uneventful. This was a nice play, a lot of good moves, but it was just very grindy today. Like this is just a grind up, grind. So you get a big move down that presents a buying opportunity. But other than that, like a lot of grind in the afternoon. This was crazy. This was all good trading early today. This was great trading morning, and then afternoon was just kind of grind. Got to know to stay out if it's not your style or your preference. So you guys asked about sales. If you click on the links in the description, usually have the lowest price for the coupon codes on Apex, Top Step, and Take Profit Trader. If you're looking for that. Also, if you can find, if you use Rhythmic on a PC, Bullnox has a deal. I don't have the link. I only have the link to those three in my description. Bullnox is just, I think I used the promo code MM, and that was it was big percent off 50K accounts. And then other than that, I typically don't trade the last couple minutes of the market because you get stuff like this where it's like a dump back up, and I don't want to just lose money. So it's not my style, but I wouldn't be opposed if it came down and touched the 200 real quick. It's getting close to VWAP too. But yeah, overall, pretty good day. We're up in this account, up in this funded account, slightly up in that funded account. That one got smoked. I left an order in. Any of you new people, don't leave orders in. Made 843 in that funded account. And this funded account up 370. We're up in pretty much all the funded accounts except for the one I accidentally left an order in. Don't leave orders in. Learn through my mistakes. Do not leave orders in. Not going to help you out. Yeah. So I left the orders in and smoked my funded account. So always check orders. I actually added that thing on TraderVate now that shows all my accounts, so I can see if I'm in anything. I don't want to get smoked. I'm just making sure I traded all my funded accounts one last time. Yep. Traded all the fundeds. Is this thing going to break out here or what? I really don't want to play it. I don't want to play it just because it's too freaking all over the place. But geez, it looks like it wants to go. It wants to go. Wow. Wow. Finally getting that push. Came down, basically touched view up. Basically came down, touched view up, and now just bounced. Bounced like an animal, actually. Man, this market's crazy. I mean, we're closing at not highs, but it's making its way back up to it is making its way back up. Woo! That's a freaking bounce. Oh man, look at that. I scalped it in my freaking Rhythmic account right here for a little bit. I got in at 9 and out at 12. And now we're at 30. Oh, jeez. Well, thanks for coming by today. I'm going to jump off when the market's done here. I thought we had a good day. All of our funded accounts are basically up, traded well. Yeah, this was a solid day. Just watching. This is freaking crazy. Maybe I'll hang out for a little bit longer after the market. I want to see what happens here. Boom, boom, boom. Come on. Watch them wick it all the way down to the 34 and come back. Probably not. Probably not. Probably not. But it'd be cool if they did. Be real cool. Oh, look, they did it. They did it. They wicked it all the way down. Am I getting sold out though? Oh, they freaking sold me out. That's at VWAP. Holy shnikes. I just got not crushed, but let's see what happens here. Oh, geez. Oh, geez. That was a fucking dump. You guys watching this? You guys watching? Take one off. Sell stop. See what happens. I just got stopped out. Oh, wow. All right. I basically made very little money because I lost a little bit. I lost 130 here. And then I made, jeez. That was crazy. Oh, that was crazy. Oh yeah, I lost 130 and then made 155 and then some other pocket change. Can I zoom in on this? Right? I made 35 and 155. So 180, I made like 50 bucks on that. That was crazy. Well, I'm going to jump off. That was wild. Hope you guys all had a great day. I'm peacing out. Peacing out. Later. That was crazy.